Start. This appeal is directed against the interlocutory order dated 15/9/2008, passed in election petition by the High Court of Judicature at Patna, wherein the High Court allowed the application filed by the respondent under Rule 93 within bracket 1 of the Conduct of Election Rules 1961. Brief facts leading to this appeal may have to be noticed before we proceed to consider the validity and correctness of the impugned order. The first respondent herein filed election petition number 1 of 2006 challenging the election of the appellant herein on various grounds. The case of the first respondent petitioner is that he was defeated in the elections held in the month of October-November 2005 by a narrow margin of 82 votes only on account of several irregularities and illegalities alleged to have been committed by the appellant and his election agent together with his workers and supporters. The precise allegation so far as we are concerned in the present appeal relates to the enrollment of voters in more than one place in the assembly constituency. It is alleged that the family members of the appellant are enrolled as voters from 3 places in the constituency and the appellant himself is enrolled as a voter in more than one place. It is alleged that the election of the appellant may have to be declared void on the solitary ground that there are large number of voters enrolled as voters from more than one place and majority of such voters have voted twice in favor of respondent number 1. In this regard, it is curious to indicate that there are 250 persons of family of respondent number 1, including the co-villagers who were supporters of respondent number 1, have voted twice from both the places in favor of respondent number 1. Thus, 250 persons who are family members as well as agents and co-villagers and the supporters of respondent number 1 are enrolled in more than 2 places in voter list in the same constituency and they have cast votes at both places, and such 500 white votes have been counted in favor of respondent number 1, and if such white votes are deleted by simple arithmetical calculations, respondent number 1 has secured less number of votes than the petitioner, and therefore on this ground alone the election of respondent number 1 is not only fit to be set aside, but on the other hand, the election petitioner is entitled to declare election in place of respondent number 1 by securing the majority votes than the respondent number 1. The details of enrollment of such voters stated to have been enrolled in more than one place in the said constituency are mentioned in Annexure 4 to the election petition. In order to prove his case, the respondent number 1 herein adduced evidence on his behalf and the matter is coming up for the evidence of the appellant respondent. It is at this stage the first respondent herein filed an application under Rule 93 within bracket 1 of the rules seeking inspection of the packets containing registers of voters in Form 17A. In the said application, it is stated that inspection of the registers of voters in Form 17A is required for the purposes of substantiating the allegations of double voting by the relations and supporters of the appellant. The appellant herein in his objection resisting the prayer for inspection of the registers inter alia submitted that inspection of the said documents, if permitted at this stage, may amount to making a roving inquiry in order to fish out the materials. Such inspection, if any, can be permitted only after consideration of evidence of both the parties. Stop.